Yes. Hey.
Hello, Chipto. Whoa, yo. Good morning, Lainey. Morning, Lainey. Habari gani, Lainey morning. Benado work morning. Imani morning. Morning, bye-bye. Morning, bro. It's a morning vibe. Yeah, guys, keep on watching, keep on watching. Good morning, Filippo. Good morning, Filippo. Good morning. Oh yeah, ore, oh yeah, ore. Oh yeah, ore, oh yeah, ore. Oh yeah, ore, oh yeah, ore. Omari morning. Oh yeah, ore, oh yeah, ore. Call Pips. Yeah. Shakira. I see Shakira on the vibe. Carolina. Hey, Judy, good morning. Habari gani? Shum morning, Daviro. This a morning Bible. This a morning Bible. We gonna cannot. I didn't know. I see McKenna, good morning. McKenna, good morning. Beekeeper and Pele. Douglas, bye-bye. I see Douglas also in the vibe. Oh no, Daggy. Eva Moss, how are you? Eva Moss, yeah. Eva Moss, Jumbo, Eva Mori, Boniochi, Eva Mo. Good morning, my brother, good morning. Toini Geonari, Mose Glema, Dango, Ruto Koni, Neyawa Ruto Koni Yureni, Neyawa Ruto Koni Yureni, Oh no, Douglas Baba, Eva, Ni Dagi, Ni Dagi Barigan, Abari Asubui, Abari Eva, Oh no, good morning Eva, good morning Douglas, yeah, Colas, yeah. Nani habari gani? Musuri sana. How is your morning? Captain Denis. Ololo Steve Mogo. Douglas, good morning, my brother. By the time you wake up, umekumbuka kuomba Mungu akusaidie. Yeah, Captain Deno. Ololo Namahe. I'm a brother, good morning. I'm a brother, good morning. Eva, good morning. Ololo, good morning. Habari gani? Yeah. Habari gani? Hey, hey. Habari gani? Habari gani? Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah, babale. Nabeli pinya iwagi kosa chungu mala chamwe chikaja yumahido Nobaro bongo via maris captain. My brother, good morning. My brothers, good morning. Yeah, Shadrach Kimero. Igara yoro jere. Igara yoro jere. Yelele. 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 Kulawa. Yelele. Evai. Dagi. Dagi. Kulawa. 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 Yeah, guys, keep on watching this Maka Mugenda, guys. For those who are watching now, this is a very special morning. Yeah, where you have to see, you have to be happy very early in the morning, guys. If you want to make your day more doing fine. If you want to enjoy your day, guys, just enjoy with Maka Mugenda with the vibe, morning vibe. We call it morning vibe. Christmas emadu okidala atoto ekidokirala Kati Katrina I see Abuanka from Mandera. Morning Katiana. Yeah. Vinny Wildflower. Yeah. Katiana. Oh no, Katiana. Katiana. Abuanka Baba. Mandera Bet. Abuanka Baba. Katiana Ele. Oya, ore, oya, ore. Oya, ore, oya, ore. Katiana Baba. Abuanka. Yeah. Mandera Juju. Abuanka ya. Abuanka Coca. Abuanka Baba. Yeah. Anabiro. Cielo coca, coca. Arabiru, Abranca Mandela. Arabiru, coca, coca. Abranca Baba, morning coca. Wanu, we are coming to Mandela, to gonna cook, to Mandela, to gonna cook, to Mandela, we are coming, Abuanca, Nakuja, yeah, to gonna cook, we are coming, to gonna Essien, yeah, Abuancale. Hello. Oh yeah, morning coca. We are coming to Mandela. Yeah, to see a Blanca. To go na coca, 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 coca. I see it. Coca morning. Kulawaya, asubuhi kulawaya, asubuhi kulawaya, yeah. If you wanna make your day, coca, baba, where's the bunker? Yeah, you better start with music, Dudubaki, Dudubaki, Dudubaki. Yes, sir. Asian cock. Mr. Ben also in the vibe. Yellow. Baba, Amirada, only good vibe. Jenyo to good morning, Jenyo to good morning, Asubuhi, yeah. Ha ha ha. Izo Murefu Baba, Umeamuka. How is your morning? Koka, Onyango, Kudo. Almeria, Tesla, yeah, Eza, yeah, Fatima Muhammad, Velo, Magundani, yeah, Dani, Yoboli, Dani, Douglas, Emmanuel, Manu, Shani. Bena, good morning, yeah, Almeria, Wakundani, ha ha, wake up, yeah, wake up, kumekucha, wake up, yeah, wake up, kumekucha, wake up, yeah, wake up, Baba, wake up, Zaki, Wololo, Baba, this is a morning vibe. Wake up, kumekucha, Almeria, Wololo, Kulawaya, yeah. Iniritango, why waiting? Wake up, Almeria, Baba. Wake up, wake up. Almeria, also in the background. Yeah, guys, copying. Keep on watching. Tap the screen, guys. It's Maka Mugenda. I love you so much. For those who are watching on YouTube, it's Maka with MAKA space Mugenda. Yeah, Salama. And also remember, this is a morning vibe. Mohammed. Kelly Mister. Thank you so much, Kelly Mister. Good morning, Kelly Mister. I see Kelly Mister. Baga. Live with Tia. Mohammed also tell me. This is a morning vibe. Kelly Mister. Diallo. Ah, Kelly Mister. Oh. How are you, Mohammed? Abdiwali, also watching now. Yeah, I see Nabi. Baba, Willie, no Cindy Mama, Job, Cindy Mama, good morning, Diallo, I see Diallo, no Cindy Mama, ya pero ya orecaño. Valentine. Well, Mohammed, thank you so much. Oh no, no, Cindy Mama, even the when in the morning, yeah, in the morning, morning Cindy, yeah. Ha ha. No paro si pare ya dale go. No bano toyo. Cindy. No bano toyo. Cindy, do you know toyo? Hey, Mohammed, you know toyo. Have you seen no toyo? Ben writer. Beni Baba. Have you seen no toyo? Yeah. Diallo Baba. Have you seen no toyo? Have you seen no toyo? My word go. Yeah. Yeah, Mugenda Makobunya. I Fatuma morning. Yeah, Fatuma morning. Otoyo bye. Our darling go Yachode, our money give power. Kendo me the diploma. Yachode man go power. We only busy. Yachode man give power to kendo me the diploma. Boldo. Niya Otoyo. Yeah. Otoya niuliza mpaka unajua Swahili. Kama unajua Kiswahili. Otoya niuliza mpaka kama unajua Swahili. Cindy. Mary. Kama ninajua Swahili. Ni Kiswahili. Ni Kiswahili. Na mijadala. Sijui Swahili. Otoya kanyambia makake no kwenya. Nukula kuku na mayai. Unajua maana yake ndivyo? Nukula kuku na mayai. Halo. Nugonga kuku na mayai. Yachode manigi power. Omende power. Yeah. Nungani zero nyako gumama yake. Ha ha. Niye Otoyo baba. Otoyo baba. Maria. I see Jonah. Jonu camera is not clean this side, but no problem. Ni Jonu baba. Jonu. Ni wacho kwenya. Jimmy, morning. Jonu, how are you? Ni Jonu baba. Jonu. Ololo Otoyo. EFC. Hyena. Is hyena. Oh, hyena. The guy from Malego. Yeah. You know. Otieno. The hyena. Who you busy? Anakula singo. Na mama yake. Ni huyu busy. Anakula. Ulinge. Anakula kuku na mama yake. Ukijua maana uko sawa. Ni huyu busy. Halo. Ni huyu busy. Anakula. Kula kuku na mayai. Yeah. By the time you seduce a lady and you find the lady is not beautiful, she's more ugly, you better look her mother. Yeah. Oyombra bye. Aluongo Otoyo Yachode man go diploma. Yeah. Are you ready? The guy have a diploma in seducing ladies by the name Otoyo. Otoyo means hyena. Yeah, Otoyo baba. Missy, do you know Otoyo? Yeah, nice. You know Otoyo. Mary, do you know Otoyo? Jodu, you know Otoyo. Otoyo baba. Otoyo baba. Yeah. Florida. Otoyo told me mugenda kufanya. If you want to seduce a lady, check her mother. Yo, check her mother means mama. Yeah, Karanja. Otoyo we mean hyena in my language. Otoyo baba. Yeah, Otoyo baba. Yachode manigi power. Omende power. Kata diploma. nyemone nyamojata. Ha ha. Zaid. I know Cindy's understanding. Oi oi, yango garu nyemone nyumba theater. Ah, yeah, Apostle. The house. Yeah, fully back in full swing, guys. Yeah, Georgie. Yeah. Okay, guys. Let me tell you one thing. Before I continue the vibe. Yeah, this is a guy. You know, I'm doing traditional music. So for those who understand the traditional, they know the thing about the instrument called Nyatiti. And you know, we back side. How are you? Thank you so much. Yeah, so they know, they understand. Yeah, we have a lot of words, big words that we use in Nyatiti, but me, I don't use them kindly. So the guy I composed a song for is called Otoyo. Otoyo means hyena. Yeah. The guy like to seduce a lady. Is a motor rider. Yeah, the guy also like to seduce women. Yeah, so he also tell me, Maka, hmm? If you want to seduce a lady, you have to compare the lady with her mother. If the lady she's ugly, you have to seduce her mother. But if the mother the same, you have to seduce her grandmother. And if you get the grandmother is the worst, you have to take alcohol, drink alcohol, and later you have to sleep. Yeah, this is about the song called Otoyo. Otoyo is my friend. Franco Wasonga. Let's continue the vibe, guys. Yeah, I see Jonathan. Yeah, Jonu is watching on YouTube now. I always enjoy the beat. Karanja Akuyu as Akuyu. Cindy, can I continue with the last one, or can I play another one? I'm fine, Frank. Winona. Yeah. The instrument is called Nyatiti. Take to Medomo. Winona. Cindy. Yeah. Oh no, Cindy, mama. Have you seen Winona? Yeah. Yeah. Almost. From USA. Mugendo tungo ato. Everyone complain. Everyone complain. Everyone complain. Yeah. Happy boy. Na 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 na. Janku, binye take to Medomo. Beer. Cindy, can you translate that one? A person? Cindy, binye take to Medomo. Yeah. Hello. The word is tough. The word is. I think his living standard is so high, but people they just keep on adding more children, adding more wives. I think that's a direct translation about the song. Yeah, Roman. Nada, Viñora. Please the moon. Agua. Ah, good Yeah, guys, keep on watching. Check on YouTube, guys. I see said hi. Thank you so much, John. We are back. Thank you so much. How are you, Jonathan? Also is watching on YouTube. So those who are watching on YouTube, may God bless you so much. Check on YouTube, subscribe with my Maka username is Maka Mugenda. Yeah. Yeah. Also, I want to give you one song, guys. This song is a nothing is permanent, guys. Yeah, nothing is permanent. Yeah, this song I composed for my ex, my girlfriend. Wow, my girlfriend, my ex-girlfriend. So the lady is called Gaudencia. Low life. Samadhi. Good morning, we are ready. Ah, yeah. Been good thing, Gaudencia. Been good thing, Gaudencia. Where are you, Gaudencia? We know now. Where are you, Gaudencia? Where are you, Gaudencia? We know now. Let me tell you one thing about Gaudencia. Yeah, the lady, she was materialist. Ah. Well, no, look out, yeah. Come look out, yeah. We know that. Well, no, look out, yeah. Yeah. Boy, nothing is permanent. Nothing is permanent. Nothing is permanent. Nothing is permanent. Don't dance, yeah. Yeah. Well, look out at you, mama. Well, look out at you, mama. Ah, baby girl. Nothing is permanent. Nothing is permanent. Yeah. I can't lack today, but I'll have it tomorrow. Yeah. Nothing is permanent. Why are you judging me because of my today? Yeah. Why are you judging me because of today? Good night from my side. We know goodbye, going on. We know goodbye. How many kids do you have? Trivia. We know how many kids do you have? Can you change? I would like to have a vibe with your kids. Do you have a kid? We know now. Connection is good. God bless you. My connection is not good. Thanks so much, Tevia. Yeah. Okay. No problem. Keep on watching, guys. For those who are watching, Tuna Jacob also in the vibe. I see Cindy. Tevia. you so much, Kevia. I don't need more of you. Yeah. Wololo Kevia yo. Mugelo penya ken, mugelo penya le. I gonna sing, Cindy. Kevia, can you dance? Ah. Kevia, can you dance? Anthony, can you dance? Julia, Ojijo, can you dance? Nintevia, can you dance? Can you dance? Nyatiti, hey, hey. Can you dance? Nyatiti, Cindy, Nimatum Jolu, yeah. Well, ha ha. I see a showing on. I got to Nitevia, yeah. I got to Anthony Ojijo Baba. Ah, hello. Can you dance? Yeah, Ojijo. Hello, Cindy man. I see Cindy man in the white. Cindy, yeah. Ah. Cindy, do you know someone by the name Tevia? Tevia mama, yeah. I got to ah. Nyatiti maroyo, hello. Ojijo to penja, awinji. To Cindy that could come and you. Ah. Yeah. Nintevia, can you dance? Nintevia, can you dance? Hello. To Cindy that could come and you. Yeah. Ah, they say a woman is a king by the time she gives birth. That's a period. A woman can do everything. To mistreat her husband. Do you know why? By that time, you will just hear a woman say, baby, I'm tired. Ah, yeah. Everything husband have to do by that time, because at that time we say, a woman is a king. Ah. She's a king, yeah, Cindy. She's a king, yeah. Man do everything by the time a lady give birth or a woman. Omera, Rasi, yeah. Don't that go yeah. No matter that could come and you. Ndalo monyuol, dochore umbote, dochore tedote. Korumo tieno aithani wangete. Nukuno dichuo dwaro bia, chupa chiel bia ema tieko sejra. Guys, that's what I have to translate for those who don't understand what I say, bro. Yeah, I'm trying. This song is about by the time a woman deliver. That's the time a woman can mistreat her husband. Do you know why? That's the time. Okay, I don't know in Europe, but I say in our country, in Africa, high percentage in Africa. That's the time man has to cook for a woman, has to wash clothes, he has to do everything to please woman, because by that time the lady is not in good condition. Yeah, and the funny thing, at the night the lady demanded one bottle of beer. And she said, this one will help me. Very true. Yeah, this one will. I don't know. Okay, Cindy, can you tell me the Sejra? Sejra, do you know Sejra? Rariu. I don't know. Rariu. I don't know. Yeah. So that song is say, and by the time, okay, and also is a story about the same song where the by the time there's a guy by the name Johnny. You know, in our this okay, in our culture, we Langat. Thanks so much, Langat. In our culture, we have a lot of things. Yeah. So by the time we are entertaining in the village, not here. Right now I'm in the city, but in the time in the village, yeah. So someone say, no, you have to stop the music. I want to do something. Langat, Langat, I want to do something. Let me tip the musician, and he say the big name. You have to say, yeah. You have to brag with one name, big one. You say, yeah, I'm the guy who seduced a lot of ladies, nigga. Yeah, something like that. Are you getting? Yeah. So this guy was standing and telling, Maka, I'm the one. Yeah, I'm the one. Yeah. The lady have I don't know how to say. The lady have stopped to the woman you marry, but your wife have stopped to deliver. Are you getting? By the time he stopped to deliver, she stopped to deliver. By that time, the lady, you know, in traditional, you can marry as much as you can. Langa. I'm now trying to translate the music I'm playing for those who, because there's some people they don't understand what I'm saying. Yeah. So, and that's the time you see the second wife choking, the second wife abusing the first wife, say, eh, dakoma, dako chungi nyuol. Yani you can't deliver. She can't deliver anymore. So the guy, the lady will start saying, dako chungi nyuol to nyeke kone. The nyeke, we call nyeke the second wife. The second wife say, you have to try outside. Yeah, you have to try outside of the marriage. So by the time she will be remaining alone, he will start saying, wow, this lady have already told me something very unique. Yeah, I've stayed for a long period without getting any kid, so I have to try with another man outside. Are you getting? To make it worse, anytime, well, by the time she's washing clothes, you just remember what the lady was telling her. By the time she's cooking, saying, hey, this second wife tell me very bad thing. So due to pressure, you have to go say, no, I want to look another man, I want to give birth. So in the process of getting another man, the lady, instead of getting pregnant, instead of having affair with another man and getting out of pregnant, the lady get syphilis. Are you getting? That's the story. Let me continue the vibe. Langat, I was translating. I'm really sorry if I know you. Those, yeah, there's some people they don't want story. Nyangi. Ajoni maodobio. Ajoni maodobio. Yeah. Ajoni maodobio. Ajoni maodobio, that means son of Opio. Mugenda sing to John. Ajoni the son of Pio. Yeah. Ajoni the son of Opio Baba. Yeah. Dojon takorut kamanyur. Dalomonyul apason. When woman get help, yeah. When a woman they leave, yeah, he gave birth, yeah, that's the time. No man who will suffer, no man who will suffer a person. Ah, no man will suffer, yeah. Are you getting the vibe? Julie Atiso. No man will suffer. This of the time. No man have to cook. No man have to wash. No man have to, yeah. No man have to do everything by that time. A woman deliver. That's the main reason we say woman is a king. That is the root here. Yeah. Travorai. Niele ma odopio. Kore motieno. In the night. The lady is demanding. She start to demand. Neo baby. I want. Yeah. Neo baby. Ah, Wanjiru. I need one beer, yeah, one bottle of beer. To reduce the pain, melody. To reduce the pain on my stomach, yeah. Hey, name all of you, crazy, yeah. Have you seen your, yeah, good boy? No one you, mom. Ayoninga motero mapimole wigo tieno. Ah, dojonga motero mapimole wigo tieno. Are you ready? Yeah. Malongo pimoka Wanjiru. Dolongo pim. Yeah. Toza to pimoka. Toza to pimo Wanjiru. Are you ready? Ah. Tobano kone, no long if he money, Chalamana me to Angiwood, Wanjiru, allo. Yeah, my order bill, Wanjiru, yeah. Have you seen John? I only order bill, the son of a bill, Wanjiru, Wanjiru, Puole, yeah, you see the man, Niro. Hello, I don't need my order bill. Yeah, this is a story. Mulolo, my order bill. Yeah, guys, keep on watching. I'm really happy to see you watching. In case you have any question concern the story, about the story, I've already tell you. For those who are watching, yeah. You can ask any question. Don't be never be silent. You don't have to be silent, guys. In case you have a question to ask now. Yeah, that's the story of that guy called John Macopio. Abile. I see a friend from Ethiopia. Cindy Mama Abile from here, right here. Lolo Abile, Lolo Abile. Ay abile Cindy mamare Bolonjogo Yeah Bololo abile Keno abile Jonotum Keno abile babalo Kenda kongolo Cindy gonna dance When abile Walolo abile How is it written about? Guys, the instrument is called Nyatiti. I have to shift because of sun right now. There's a lot of sun where I have already seated. So I have to go to the other side where there's no sun. Yeah, let me carry my... Yeah, it's my... Really... I don't know where you will see me very fine. Very good, I think like this. I now think like this, it will be okay. Yeah, guys, you know I'm in the city. This is a city. I know you can think this is a village. It's not a, yeah, it's a big village, but it also is a city. Yeah. Yeah. William Otieno. Oh man, I'm Diani bwana. Diani interior. Man, this where is this beautiful? A person you have to come. This is a place where you see there's a lot. The wall are very beautiful. Thanks so much. This is where I stay. Yeah. This is where I stay. Okay, from where I stay to the beach is just a walking distance. I'm in Diani. We call it Diani. Diani is in Kwale County. Kwale is in Kenya. Yeah. Just keep on watching, guys. Now we continue the vibe. I see. A person, you want to come? You are welcome, Cindy. Guys, I would like to give you a story about the song. Would you like to hear the story, or can't I just continue the song? Before I continue, Wangari. Should I continue the song or continue the story? I start with the story and continue the song. I will tell you, don't worry. My brother from Ethiopia. 1 minute. Okay, before we continue, okay, this I tune with this. I just do like this. Do like this. When I put it like this, it will just come. So naturally, I know the keys. So that's how it is. Okay, the song is about one man called Gormaya. Gormaya he was a native doctor. He was a native doctor a long time ago, and later he died. After he died, the spirit, the people from that place, because he was a big native doctor, people from that place, they say, no, we want to start a football team, which we call Gor. Gor. So Gor Mahia is our father, is the father of that guy. So after that, they started big team. And if I'm lying, you can ask Cindy is there. There's a big team in Kenya, which we call Gor Mahia. It's a big team in Kenya. It's originated from Homa Bay. That's the place where Gor Mahia is from. He started to treat people while still young. And that's the main reason this team is it has a lot of power, because of the guy, the native doctor who died long time ago. And this is a song say, Maiwe, Kogaloe. Yeah, I just say the same way. I just trying to explain how Gormaya have been defeating a lot of teams because of the spirit. Thank you so much. Let me continue. Maiwe, Kogaloe, Gormaya Nyamodimbe. Yeah, Maiwe, Kogaloe, Gormaya Nyamodimbe. Bang, 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 bang. Yeah. Mimi ni mganga mkuu, mimi ninaroga ngoma. If I say you come in front, Wangare, to dance with me, and I tell you to sing oh after me. If I say stop you to sing, clap your hand, pa pa. You my zombie oh then let me see you on the floor. Ogo, Ogilo, hello. If a jeep with the lava going down on them bamba. My way, yo yeah, Barumaya Yamotimbe, Gogalomba. Maya Yamotimbe. My way, Ogalo. Gormaya Yamotimbe bang bang, Kogalo bang bang, yeah, bang bang, Wangari bang bang, Wangari bang bang, Yawasindi ma, Kogalo bang bang, Ayo, Opesirele, Gormaya Yamotimbe, yeah. If I say we gonna smile, if I say you no smile, if I say bang bang, Cindy bang bang, just Richie bang bang, yeah, Richie bang bang, Okogano bang bang, Cindy bang bang, Cindy Apazo bang bang, my way. I gonna like Gormaya. Yeah. Cindy, when you come to Kenya, you gonna support Gormaya. Yeah. Honey Farah. Yeah. Bang bang. Kogalo bang bang. Nyam nyam. Yeah. Nyam yum means to chew. Yum yum. Ugalo yum lam lolo. Yum yum. Yeah. Ugalo yum yum. Mayue. Ugalo le. Oh my yamutimbe. Mimi ni muganga mkuu. Mimi nina roga roga. Yeah. Mimi ni muganga mkuu. Mimi nina waka waka. I gonna shine shine like a kogalo. Ha ha. Shine shine like a lulu. Yeah. Lulu Pedro. Lulu Cindy bang bang. Yeah. Najalu bang bang. Hello bang bang. Johnny bang bang. If I say bang bang, everyone bang bang. We gonna zambe hala. We gonna gange, Cindy gange, you know. My yenga or Maya gonna kill bang bang. Yeah, check sasa. Ogilo. Ogalong bang bang, galong banga, yeah, bang bang, ha ha. If I say balo, balo, balo. Yeah, thank you so much for clapping. I know you, Maz from US, Omera, people from US. Hey, when I see any person from US, I gonna say man, oh man, I don't man. How much comment my car saying? Our piano say, what am I, maniga? Yaniga playing some call Nyatiti me. Maz, this is Makamugenda I play Nyatiti. Thank you so much, Maz, from United States of America. Yeah, let's continue the vibe, guys. There's a song here. Okay. Today, I don't want just to play song while just vibing. Today, my grandfather, I inherit the instrument from my grandfather. Today, my grandfather told me, Maka, you have to play. You have to explain for people what you are playing, guys, so they understand. They don't just vibe, say, wow, he's playing very well, but they don't know what's happening. Don't. Yeah, this song say, trust nobody when it comes to money, guys. This is a song where I composed while the time I was left with my girlfriend, nigga. Because of money. Mas I'm totally confused, Mas. I'm totally confused, Yeni. Ogilo Cheng Baba. I'm totally confused, Ma. Yeah. They preach to us, telling us money is evil. The same money we offer in churches. Why? I'm totally confused. I'm totally confused. Mas, kill me now with a gift, guy. I'm totally confused. You know, Ololo, I'm money. Ololo, I'm money. I'm looking for money. Ololo, I'm money. Trust nobody, trust nobody, Baba. When it comes to money, trust nobody, Baba. Ma, Ogilo, trust nobody, Ogilo, trust nobody, Baba. Everyone is a criminal, nobody can be trusted. Trust nobody, Baba. Richie. Everyone is a criminal. Nobody can be trusted. Money, 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 money. Ah, money, 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 money. Everything is money nowadays. Hi, money. Ah. Gabriel, let me tell you, I'm looking for money. Yeah! Money, money. Money. I had a girlfriend by the name Adiambo. Hello! I had a girlfriend by the name Adiambo. Never give up. I had a girlfriend by the name Adiambo. Adiambo decided to leave me because money, money. Yeah, she goes to someone better than me. Oh, money. Yeah. My money, she get a sponsor, because of money. Yeah, I'm looking for money, money, money. Well, no, money, 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 money. Yeah, money, money. Government need money, churches need money. Everything is money. Yeah. Six pack without money is like disability. Six pack without money is like a disability. Handsome without money is like a disability. I love you without money. Only a man can do that to lady. I love you without money. Only a man can love a lady without money, my brother. But no lady can love a man without money. Oh, no, no. She will give her time, saying I love you without money. Yeah. Ladies need a change. Maggie! If you don't change, my brother, she will look somebody better than you because of money in that right way. High money. Yeah. High money. High money. Yeah. Maggie, Maggie. Oh, bueno. Tafuta pesa, my brother. Pesa ni sabuni yaro. Yeah, thanks so much, guys, for those who watch. The song say, trust nobody when it's come to money, my brother. Trust nobody when it's come to money. Don't trust anyone, a person. Don't try. Don't try if you want to die. Yeah, guys, thank you so much. Keep on watching. Yeah, there's a person I see you. Thanks so much. You have been watching me. There's a sound, we call it Nyatiti. Nyatiti is an instrument from western part of Kenya. Yeah, and we now continue. Enoch Mageni, thank you so much. And we now continue the vibe. We call it Nyatiti vibe with Maka Mugenda. Yeah. Right now, let's continue. I want to give you one song. Yeah. If you like slow music, Nyatiti. Yeah. Before I continue, a person, where are you from? Which country are you from? I know by the time you'll be typing, I'll be going. How is US? Yeah, yeah. What? Okay, this song I composed to my mom. Apaso! Wazazi wako, I hope you come to Kenya. Oh, my oh, I love you, my oh. Apaso! How are you? Jonathan, I see you. Oh, my oh, my oh. I love you, my oh. I love you, my oh. My oh, she's my mom. In mother we say my oh. Ama ni vipi bwana? We call mother my oh. When I went to Dubai, I must bring you a surprise. Nakeli rinda kodele so mi wotongo. I know you like muda, but I'll bring you kamongo. Yeah, kamongo, kamongo. A person, have you taken kamongo? Have you eat kamongo? Kamongo, kamongo. Anna, thank you so much, Anna, for joining. Oh, no, no, my oh, my oh. Ah, I abaso, yeah. Ana, yeah. I see Ana Olteva. Thank you, Ana. Thank you, Ana. Abaso. Kamongo is a mad fish. I love you, Mayo. I love you, Mayo. I love you. Yeah. I see nice. This is a morning vibe. Six string. Which one? Which one? I see there's a guy by the name Six String. Oh no no, Mayo, Mayo, hey. Yeah. I see Jay. What I realize, Mayo. You like sweet things, like pizza, yeah, like pizza. Hello, like guacamole, bruschetta, like guacamole. How are you, Jam? Me and dancing, I'm passing dancing, yeah, mura dancing. Mura dance, jambum, mura dance, a paso, mura dance. Gonna, yeah, yeah, ganyo, a paso, ganyo. Thank you so much. Keep on watching, guys. I see you, Simon Giju, also in the vibe. A person, thank you so much for watching this Maka Mugenda. A person, do you have a kid? Do you have a kid? Sound good. Baby, oh baby. Yeah. I have decided to my God. Yeah, Sophie Benevuela, Sophie Banks, Sophie Daze, Sophie Walla, Sophie Yelele, Cara Yelele, yeah, Cara Yelele. I see Emma Malaika, Charlie, morning Charlie, morning Apostle, Ponda Mali, Ponda Mali, Ponda Mali, Ponda Mali, Professor Lance, one love Professor Lanet Passon, yeah, one love Professor Lanet Passon, one love Professor Netrich, Nyatiti, Emma Hey, Allo, Emma Hey, Emma Dance, Ampaso, yeah, say hi to your kids, Ampaso Nai, say Makaf, say, I see Gaddafi, Janet also on the vibe, Colonel Gaddafi on the vibe, yeah. Yeah, put down your comment, guys. Susie. Come in. Any instrument is called Nyatiti. Oh, Baba. Oro Malo. Oro Malo. Suzy. Apa sono se ne vai. Oro Malo. Oro Malo. Oro malo, koi kipri, oro my way. Let me tell you my story, oh, from my place. Anga jalu, oro malo. Born in Boro, yeah. Born in Zaya, Zaya Malo, Ah, Jalu, yeah. Mano don't jalu. Karanja babale, aisi matanya. Can you dance Nyatiti? a new dance a day, a new vibe, a new dance. Oh. Let me tell you my story, oh my blessing. Let me tell you my story, oh my home. Karma, Ogilo Baba, Mano Bejalu, Ogilo Che, Mano Bejalu, Beauty Karma, a new dancer, Ajalu, yeah, Ajalu, Ogilo, Ilo Baba, Size, Ilo Baba, a beautiful karma. Nida halu, Nida halu, Ajalu, Ogilo, Ilo Babalo, Mano Bengalu, Jalu Janyadi, Asuto, Aye, have you seen Jalu? Have you seen Jalu? A person, I gonna spoil you like a Jalu. Yeah, beauty karma, Ajalu, Ajalu. Habibi Alu, yeah, Baba. Let me tell you my story, oh, from my place, born in Zaya, Alego Malu, Alego Malu, Alego Zaya, Alego Zaya, Mama from Zaya, Mama from Zaya, Father from Zaya, Baba from Zaya, yeah, my home of my father, yeah, have a happy Africa, yeah. Jalu, Jalu, yeah. Enoku Babale, I see Enoka. Have you seen Adiambo? Have you seen Adiambo? When the night, have you seen Adiambo? Says, have you dated Lu? Ha ha. Have you dated Pesotas? Jalu, Jalu Janyami, Jalu Jahera, Jalu Bambale. Yeah. Whoa. Winter. Hello. Winter. How are you, Winter? Morning. Unataka niolewe. Winter, how are you? Size, you want someone to kill me. Winter, somebody wants someone to kill me here. I don't know why. Ogola Circle. Winter, where are you? Hello. Yeah. Haki niliangalia hiyo jina yako na sikuona. One God. Saisi niliangalia. Fanya hivi, nitumie kwa inbox. Tuma kwa inbox. 100% I'll support. I'll subscribe, watch what you're doing. I've been checking but I did not see. Yeah. Thank you. you winter. Come baby, guy, you my cocorico. Come baby, guy, come baby, guy, come baby, winter. Chuma tu hakuna shida. Most chuma. Come baby, guy, come baby, guy, come baby, guy, come baby, winter. Yeah. My time, most chuma, my time, my time. I don't wanna talk too much, most chuma. I don't wanna talk too much, yeah. I gonna vibe with the winter lady. I gonna vibe with the winter, yeah. Most chuma, hello. Come baby girl, come baby. Chuma chuma, chuma baba chuma, mos chuma chuma, yeah. Come baby winter, come baby, yeah. Come baby galo, come baby galo. My time, yeah, you walk it. My time, my time, my time. Ah, nice, thank you so much, Mochuma. Thank you so much, winter. I don't wanna talk too much. Big up, most chuma. I don't wanna talk too much. Nyatiti dance is a Gaya dance. Yeah. Shake your body, shake your bang bang. Blendo, blendo. Kata, kata. Ni dance kanungo, kanungo, kanungo. Chuma. Ni dance kanungo, ya kanungo. Allo, chuma lele chuma, Diamond all send the vibe. Chuma oh chuma, alunga chuma, chuma lele oh chuma. Come baby girl, come baby girl, yeah. Come baby girl, come baby girl, yeah. Yeah. We are gonna live on it, I don't know. We are gonna live on it, I don't know. I come up with music compression, then Nyatiti Koruja. So baby come, let's go. Diamond, yeah. Big as more chuma. Chuma oh chuma, chuma baba chuma, chuma lele chuma, chuma lele chuma. Wololo chuma le chuma, yeah, anataka chuma, yeah. Wololo anataka chuma, yogi woyo, wololo yogi, yogi lal kanyeba, yeah. Yogi, tendi paro gachenka, yogi, mon, yeah. Ni dance kanungo ya kanungo. Ni dance kanungo, yeah. Yogi baba yogi, yogi, alo. Yogi ama, ilal kanyomera, ilale pinje magangola, yeah. Ni dance kanungo, chamdom, anataka kula, oh anataka kula, oh yeah, anataka kula, yuinja, numano pinyo dagi, yeah, ikana donge pinyo dagi, ikana donge pinyo dagi, yeah. Yogi, awini. Yogi, tendi paro chenja, alo. Tendi paro chenja, yeah. Yendi Paro Chencha, Yogi Dance Kanungo. I want you, Yogi, to rap to this beat. God, let me put that one down. Yogi, I want to rap with this beat. I know you know this song, Omera. Donge piño dagi, yeah. You gotta donge piño dagi, ha ha. You gotta donge piño dagi, yawa gotta donge piño dagi, yeah. Yero, yero, ha. Hello, you gotta donge piño dagi, yawa mado kongo piño dagi. Llamado como piño dagi. Yeah. Christine. Yogi, California. Felipe, yeah. Yeah. You gotta don't get piño dagi. Yawa Yogi, whoa. Yogi. I play for Yogi. I play for Yogi guys. Imado gongo piño dagi. Yo mark up in ya. Yo mark up in ya. Yeah. Felipe Media. Felio Rosboom. Felio. Yeah. Felio. How are you doing, Christine? Mugendo Penya, I'm fine. We're gonna Penya, I'm fine. I gonna vibe with you, yeah. I gonna vibe with you, Yogi, don't get manyo pesa, Yogi. Hello, Yogi gonna chase money, yeah. Janine, hello, Feli. Yeah, imefika lakini hiyo bado hajafika. Hii bado hajafika. Hii.
Kwani ulioda mbili?
Ume.
Unaweka simu kumi pamoja.
Nilioda tu
ya vita ya.
Omera. Yogi. Yogi number 1, Yogi number 2, Yogi gonna rap with you with the Nyatiti. Yeah. Hey. Yogi. Hello. Yogi Gugedala, Yogi Champion. You gotta don't get piño dagi. Yawa gotta don't get piño dagi. Yani, Felipe. Killing me. Yeah. Ha ha. The Yogi don't go lal malo. The Yogi don't go lal malo. The Yogi don't go lal piñe wasonge. The Yogi. Ha ha. Yeah. Yogi don't go lalu malo. Yogi don't go where you watch anyola. Yogi don't get in the jamo DJ. Yogi don't go where you watch anyola. Yeah. Yawa yeah. Yogi tinde watch your mano sungu. Yogi down where Yogi don't go. Yogi yeah. Yogi tindo dog loka. Wasunge emo watch your godo. Tongani rap, yeah, the best rapper in Luoland. Mana Yogi, whoa, hey, ine Yogi, yeah. Ananyalo kelo Yogi, ananyalo nego Yogi. Nikara donge piño dagi, yeah. Bingo Yogi piño dagi, ha, bingo Yogi piño dagi. Iduelo krianeko, you wanna be mad? Jenny, bingo Yogi. Jenny, don't stop bingo Yogi. Never try to bingo Yogi. Yogi. Hello, Yogi. come back, we gonna do something. Yogi, come back, we gonna do something. While you come back, we gonna do something very special. Yeah. I need some rap, I need some joke, I need some vibe, I need to do a vibe, I need to do, I need, yeah, index. Have you seen Yogi? Have you seen Yogi? Have you seen Yogi? Yogi, by the time he arrive on the stage, he gonna kill you with the vibe with the Nyatiti. Yeah, oh look, ah, Yogi, yeah, Yogi, Ogilo, Yogi Wamba, Yogi. The cara don't get pino yagi. Yeah, they have refused. Ah, the wild have refused. Never, never, never. How can you pick the duo? Yeah, yeah. The cara don't get pino yagi. They have refused. Ah, hello. Gonna bang bang, gonna hit, gonna hello. Yeah. Are you gonna kill you with Nyatiti? Are you gonna kill you with Jonah? Are you gonna Janina? Are you gonna kill you with Nyatiti? Nyatiti Tungulu, Nyatiti, hey, Nyatiti. If you don't have to Yogi, you can't say Nyatiti. Eh? Yogi gonna run, Yogi gonna run, Yogi gonna. Hello. Did you get to Aridala? When you come back, Yogi Le. When you come back, Yogi Le. We gonna organize the concert. We gonna organize the concert. We gonna organize a concert. We gonna organize the concert. With the Yogi, with the Yogi, with the Yogi gonna don't play with. Yeah, we gonna organize the concert. We gonna, yeah, we gonna. Yeah, we gonna organize a concert. We gonna play with the Yogi. Yogi number one, rapper number two. Yeah. First time I met the Yogi, I was in Kisumu. He is like a vampire, 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 vampire. Yeah. He rap like a blue band. Ha ha. He act like a good zombie, 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 zombie act like a good zombie. Yeah, Yogi rap like a good zombie. Yogi, Yogi, me Yogi, Yogi doge dala, Yogi, Yogi doge dala, Yogi. Let me tell you, Yogi. Hello, ha ha. Let me ask you, Yogi, Yogi, Omera. How comes you are Yogi accept to have a flight? I see Yogi sometimes refuse. I see Yogi sometimes refuse. They don't wanna go to foreign land. They don't wanna go to foreign land. How comes you are Yogi? How comes you are Yogi accept yeah? To fun to foreign land. Travel to a foreign land. Yogi wo yoga, Yogi wo yoga, Yogi wo yoga, Yogi wo yoga, Yogi. Hello, hello, come on, Yogi. Hello, come on, Yogi. Yeah, thank you so much, Yogi. Bwana Yogi, nikakanye bwana penje. Anini kama kawa sunge moka emikal rigo. Nikakanye bwana, mumera. Yogi, nikakanye bwana. Bwana mbaka na bwana. Ni wunda loka muhia. Yogi benga maber. Warum nadi bwana? Kwa sababu in loka. Sani in loka. Yeni pinyi malangola. God, this is the last song. Onge matek baba propangre. getting ready. Saima Podi. Vero Symphony Mingi Yogo. Yeah, a person. Yogi is my friend. Also, is a rapper. Symphony mingi yogo Nijuogi nene konaga Wekuero nyithindo Makoro mukodi michanga Yeah Wekuero nyithindo Makoro mukodi Waipes changa bwana Pero gallo madongo Yeah Yogi Baba Yogi Hello Yayada Majatum Kendunga di daktari Yeah Nyasai marario Yogi daktari Tongani jamo sombe Torapu bendogoyo ya Yeah Aweyi Yogi Baba Yogi Yengi namba Wasa ni loko namba bwana Yogi Ni loko namba kusea Wololo Yogi le Wololo Yogi neko Wololo kipingo Yogi Wololo Yogi neko Thank you so much Yogi Bwana ingena tiko sadik Nadinya ka sadik da kabiri chako ka sare sa chiel. Yeah, sound great. Stay relaxed. Thanks so much. Keep on watching this Makamuganda. Check on YouTube, subscribe. More nera. Omera bana moru amor bwana. Ndingi ngeo bwana. Ngeo bwana ini ngeo bwana. Ngek mwai lakini time ampo kondesre. Lakini time brondesre. Nyasai ma weni. Yeah, I'm just trying to say yeah, it's good time because Jogi is my friend. We have not seen each other for a long period, but I say thank you so much, Jogi. You have watched me. Thank you so much. Even me, I'll try. Just tell me what time do you stream live. I will like to join your live stream and see how you are going, bro. How you are moving with your art. I like so much. He's a hardworking man. Yeah, that's a God time. And when God times reach, nobody can. Even if you like or you don't like, it's just about God time. Yogi, thank you so much, my brother Yogi. May God bless you and everybody who watch Yogi. Also, everybody, a sound and also a person is also watching. Thank you so much. For those who are watching, check on YouTube, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I don't know how to appreciate you guys. One love, bro. Just keep on struggling. Everything will be okay with time. Good time is the best. May God bless you. Have a nice time. That's the end of my morning vibe. And we have lunch vibe also is coming. And right now, I just want to start preparing, writing new songs. I have some new songs I'm now working on. Thank you so much, a person. May God bless you. Say hi to your kids. Say Maka have already say hi. Yeah. Say hi to your kids. May God bless you. I love you so much, guys. I don't know how to appreciate your time. May God bless you. Have a wonderful day. Hey, Yogi.